Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss subject physics, reflection of light related to grade 9. Before starting the topic reflection of light, we should just going to discuss something related to the types of substance. One of the substance is opaque substance, like in front of you, this whiteboard, or you can say this wall. Means from this whiteboard or wall, what will happen? Light will not transmit from this part, from this side to that side. So this is an opaque body. Another is transparent body. Means light rays can propagate from one side to another side. Regarding the transparent medium, we will discuss in next lectures, or you can say in the next class, that is the refraction of light. Okay. So transparent medium is the substance which allow light rays to pass through them, or we can able to see anything. Another one is translucent, means partial. Sometimes we can able to see, or light can able to transfer, like butter paper, thin paper you can see. So the main term, what are the use of these things, that is opaque substance, transparent substance, or translucent substance? Exactly. The term we are doing reflection. The word reflection means returning back. The word meaning of reflection is return back. So whenever a light rays strike on a surface, it return back. It return back in the same medium. If I will say like this, it might be wrong. Why it is wrong? Because I only say when light ray strike on a surface and return back. Which type of surface? It is, then you have to say it is reflecting surface. So how to define exactly? When a light rays strike on a reflecting surface, it return back in the same medium. The phenomena of bouncing back of the light rays in the same medium is called reflection. It is a phenomena. It is an incident. Right? So reflection is a phenomena of bouncing back of the light rays in the same medium. So for this there are some technical terms. One of the terms I have written here, incident ray. So what is incident ray? The ray which strike on the surface, reflecting surface. Suppose here I have drawn a diagram. So this is a reflecting surface like this. So light rays strike on its surface, and this ray is called incident ray. I have written here at the top. Look at here. This is incident ray. Right? Again, after striking on this reflecting surface, rays return back on the same medium. Suppose I am going to take the medium here, air. So here also the medium is air. So it return back in the same medium. So this is called what? Reflected ray. So one of the ray is incident ray, another ray is reflected ray. And I have drawn here a dotted line. You can see here, this dotted line is called normal. So what are the terms? One of the point is incident ray, another point is reflected ray, and third the point is normal. So you can see here a line, a ray, a light rays which strike on the reflecting surface is incident. This arrow indicating about that incident ray, and this ray indicating about that returning back, that is reflected ray. Now one more thing, this is see, I have written here I. What is this? And here I have written R. So these are angle. So angle which is formed between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence, and the angle which is formed between the normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. See, again here one of the things I have written, more things, that is reflection. I said reflection, that is bouncing back Therefore, there are two types of reflection. One is the regular reflection, another is irregular reflection. So what is the meaning of regular reflection? See, if the reflecting surface is very smooth, if reflecting surface is smooth, on that time, if reflection is there, so such kind of reflection is called regular reflection. See this diagram. You can say this is a smooth surface. One more thing I am telling you, there is no 100% smooth surface. But just okay, for ideal condition, we can say this is a smooth surface. And again, another diagram I have drawn. Look at this. This is not regular surface, irregular. So on that time, reflection will be there. There is no doubt. Reflection will be there. But this is the case of irregular reflection. So that means when the light rays strike on an irregular surface, it returns back according to that incident. So that is considered as irregular reflection. So there are two types of reflection. One is regular reflection, another is irregular reflection. So once again I am going to repeat all these things. This ray is incident ray, the ray which is struck on the surface, reflecting surface, again return back from the reflecting surface on the same medium is reflected ray, and this dotted line which I have drawn at 90 degree, that is called normal. So angle which is found between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle which is found between reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. So it is written by I, angle of incidence, and R, angle of reflection. Now apart of that, there is a law, and this is called laws of reflection. So laws of reflection you can see are very simple. No need to by heart. Simple on the behalf of diagram you can make the law. What? Incident ray, reflected ray and normal. They all lies at the point of incident on the reflecting surface. That is called first law of reflection. Second, see, in regular reflection, what is the angle of incident? That is the angle of reflection. So in this case, I equal to R. Angle I equal to angle R. Once again, incident ray, reflected ray and normal, they all meet at the same point, at a single point on the point of incident on a reflecting surface. And second law, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. These are the basic concept of reflection of light. Now our topic is related to this all. That is, suppose that you are just going to take a plane mirror. Okay, you are going to take a plane mirror. Before discussing the plane mirror, we should little bit discuss about the image. Generally, what is the meaning of image? Image means it is shadow after reflection. Shadow which is formed after reflection. That is the condition. That is the formation of. That is the case of the formation of image. Okay. Now there are two types of image we can say. One is the real image, another is virtual image. That already you have studied in 8th standard. But although we are going to be discussing all these things, so once again I am going to explain you. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about the image. So there are two types of image. One is real image, another is virtual image. Now what is real image and what is virtual image? In general, if you are going to say the image is formed on the screen, it's very, confusing word. On the screen, not on the screen. So simple target we have to do about the image. When image form after actual meet of rays after reflection. Okay, that is your real image, and it is now you can say formed on the screen. Another one is virtual image, the image which is formed when the rays produced to meet after reflection. That is called virtual image. and virtual image never form on the screen. Okay, and one more thing, virtual image always erected. Suppose that this is an arrow. So if you are going to draw image, it will be like this. That is virtual. But if you are going to say like this, so it is your real image, and that is inverted. मतलब opposite है ना? And you can see ये सीधा बना, मतलब it is your virtual image, right? But it's just, I'm just going to tell you about the example. ये सिर्फ समझने के लिए बता रहा हूँ, but actually ये होता नहीं है. Now, this is the concept of real image and virtual image. Now you know plane mirror. I'm just going to discuss about the plane mirror. The main target to discuss about the plane mirror. Then other mirrors are there. So you know mirror we can divide in three groups. One is plane mirror. Now we have to discuss one by one. That is plane mirror. Okay. Then second one is concave mirror, and then third one is convex mirror. But now we must have to discuss about the plane mirror. The word is only plane mirror. Suppose this is our mirror, that is plane mirror. Reflecting surface is here. Okay, object is here. It's a phenomenon, it's characteristic of the object. Always it, see, for that diagram means what I said earlier at the beginning only I said the rays which are going to meet after reflection or produced to meet. So for that at least there should be two rays. So it forms like this. Like this. Okay. So now they are not going to meet. So how to meet? They are going to produce to meet like this. You can see little bit more. See, actually these are going to meet at the same distance. You can see little bit like this, like this. Okay, it is your O point, it is O dash, A, B, like this. Now you could be able to see this is the incident ray after reflection. After reflection, this is your incident ray. This is incident ray. This one is reflected ray. This is also reflected ray. So they are not going to meet at a point, right? How they meet? They produce to meet and then form image. So you can see if suppose it is 3 centimeter, this is also 3 centimeter. That means the object distance is equal to image distance, right? But in plane mirror, the size, shape, distance, everything will be equal, although it is virtual image. And one other phenomenon is there, that is called lateral inversion. What? Lateral inversion. What is the meaning of lateral inversion? See, I am here in front of a camera, right? So you could see my left appear in mobile or camera or whatever handset is there. So it appear right. You could see that is left, but according to my stand position, it appear at right and my right appear at left. Okay, that is the reason, and this technical term is related as lateral inversion. Got it? That is why in ambulance, in so many things, there are alphabets which are written in opposite direction so that the image will be formed in proper way. Now for concave and convex mirror we are going to discuss in the next video. Thank you very much.